This right here is a tablet that they give to prisoners who are serving their time in jail. So I went down a little bit of a rabbit hole the other day, and I found out that sometimes in prisons, they will give people tablets so they can use for various purposes, right? Which low-key kind of makes sense. You can kind of entertain these people. They're kind of locked away. It also kind of doesn't make sense because it's like supposed to be a punishment, not just playing around, right? So I wanted to see what type of tablets they are giving to these people, and I figured out, if you look online, they're called JPay tablets. So this one right here is called the JPay 5, and this is the mini one. It's not the bigger one. They have a bigger one, like in this example image right here. I decided to get the mini one because it's a little bit cheaper, and I bought this thing on eBay for $50. So it's pretty cheap, and I'm really excited to check it out. So let's unbox it. Ripping this open. Okay, comes in our bubble wrap. Unboxing that. Okay, get it open. All right, this is really grippy bubble wrap. Oh my goodness. Okay, and so this is actually the tablet. This thing looks pretty crazy. I'm not gonna lie, it's all transparent. So as you can see, that has nothing to hide, and you can see perfectly into the insides of this. Now, as you can see right here, there's 4 AA batteries that are actually powering this tablet, which is kind of hilarious, but it makes sense. So there's no rechargeable batteries, but looking at the front, okay, looks like you got a pretty small screen. Like looking at the size of my, compared to like my phone, this is an Oppo Find X9 Ultra. Looks like the Oppo is a little bit bigger, as you can see right there. And the screen is obviously much bigger and it looks way better. So what can this tablet even do? Let's take a look. So if you see on this thing, we got our batteries in the back, we have our internals, right? And then we have on the side, we have a headphone jack right here and a micro USB charging port. It looks like, I don't know why it's gonna need a charge. Maybe these are rechargeable. Maybe, I don't know. Okay. Looks like we have a power button, 2 volume buttons, and a back button when it comes to the buttons. But let's take a look at the rest of it. All right, so we're gonna undo this plastic, you know. I hate the plastic. Take that off. It looks like we have a second screen protector on. There we go. Second screen protector. Pulling that thing right off. I need to protect the screen. Okay, let's boot it up. Here we go. Booting it up real quick. I think this is the right way. Oh, there we go. There we go. It says JPay stay connected right there. Very nice. Okay, as you can see, the resolution of this screen is not awesome. It's really pretty low resolution. Like, look at this thing. Does not look like anything special, but let's see what you can actually do with this thing. Okay, looks like we get a little login screen right here. We're gonna swipe this and log in. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is our home screen. This is very interesting. Looks like we have calculator and calendar, stopwatch, gallery, radio, memory, tilt mazes. Okay, so we have a decent amount of apps, but like obviously not a ton. We got our time right down here, and we also have the battery. We have our navigation. We have a back button, a home button, and we have a tabs button. Okay, looks like we have no recent tabs, which makes sense, but let's look at what these apps can do. Okay, so we got our calculator. Okay, yeah, looks like it's a normal calculator. Who would have guessed on that one? 5 times 5. Wow. Okay, works great. That way I can calculate how long I'm in jail for. Okay, anyways, someone's gonna hurt me for this. Okay, all right, see what else we got. Let's go take a look at the calendar. Okay. Oh, all right. Very interesting looking calendar there. I don't know if you can see that properly. All right, that calendar is very interesting looking. Looks like you can't really, I don't know. Oh, we're gonna add a calendar event video. Oh, all right. Location, jail. Description, video in jail. Go back. All right, done. Just like that, we put an event in our calendar. Let's go. Okay, yeah, so it looks like it's just a freaking normal calendar. Is there anything? Oh, you can search, settings, about calendar. Okay, looks like it is running some type of Android. As you can see right there, it says Android build. That's good to know. Okay, it's a very locked down version of Android. Oh gosh, get out of this. Okay, what else we got? We got stopwatch, I assume. Very nice. We have timer. Okay, gallery. Please don't have anything. Oh, thank goodness. I was worried we're gonna get something scary in there, and luckily we did not. Okay, looks like you have a radio right here. It's not playing. I think you need to have wired headphones on. I'm gonna see if I can find some wired headphones and try it out. Oh, yes, I remember. It's the most clutch thing ever. So the Sony XM6s actually come with a cable, and we can plug this in. I actually use this on planes. This thing is clutch. All right, turned it on. Plug this in right here. Plug this in. Okay. So, sorry, we're getting some major static from this radio. We're gonna move this. I know there's a radio station right here. No, I don't want that. Can I switch the type? Oh my gosh. Oh, that hurt me. Okay, it's searching the radio for me right now. Bro, am I not gonna find any freaking radio station? So it looks like you do need to connect it to headphones for this to work properly. I'm not finding any radio. Okay, my ears just got annihilated. I'm gonna just hope and pray the version the prisoners get works, because that would suck. I'm not even gonna lie. All right, moving on. Okay, it looks like we have memory. Oh, all right. This looks like a little game. Okay, memory game. So we're like trying to remember the cards. Okay. Oh, that looks like a dog. Elephant. Okay, elephant. Freak. Ah, crap. Dude, oh, no. Where was it? Dude, I suck at this game. No. Yes! I got one. Let's freaking go. Okay, so it looks like it's a memory game. Sorry, I'm getting immersed in these games. Then we have one right here. It's called Tilt Mazes. Okay, I assume you tilt, right? All right. Oh, frick. This is harder than I thought. Can I like do it halfway? Oh, here we go. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. You know, this could entertain me for like a day, but if I had to do this for a long time, that might be tough. Okay, what else do we have on here? We have a music one. Okay, what do we have on here? Okay, looks like I need to download my own music. I have no idea. How do you download this? Oh, looks like I have to like buy music somehow because this is not sad. Okay, so no music preloaded. That's a bummer. We have email. Okay, what does this do? How do I resyncing my device? Oh, I can do emails. Here's the thing is this thing is not connected to Wi-Fi either. So I don't know what's going on. But yeah, let's delete that, I guess. One thing I want to point out is this thing does not have an app store. So I've heard there's ways you can jailbreak it. I have no idea how. I asked ChatGPT and he said he wouldn't help me. So that's freaking annoying. But as far as I know, if you're a prisoner, you're stuck with what you got on here. Unless you can figure out how to jailbreak, unless you're some type of hacker, and maybe that's why you're in jail. Maybe you shouldn't even have this thing. I don't know. Help. What does this do? Okay, this is just talking about kind of how to use things. Great. We got XOXOXOXO. Okay. So we got another little game here. Oh, freak. Oh, dude, this thing's good. No, did he just beat me? Oh, this guy's cooking me. All right, so that bot was pretty good at that game. Okay, all right. Word search. Okay, I actually love word search. This is a fire game right here. Let's take a look. Okay, cruise it. Okay, let's try to find that. I don't freaking know. Oh, wait, it's right here. Bang, look at that. One down. Stalemate. Okay, boom, there it is. Are you freaking kidding me? It's right there. All stalemated. All right, so we got a nice little game of word search. Not a bad game. Take a look at the rest. Spider Solitaire. Oh, dude, I remember Solitaire. This game is fun. This is the version I don't know how to play. Oh, you have to drag yourself. Okay. Why are they all the same? I don't know. I don't know how to play this, but I'm sure it's a great game. Sure, you learn after a while. Okay, we got Sudoku. All right, easy. I am actually really bad at Sudoku, so I really don't know how to play. But you have the game on there if you're wondering. Yeah. Okay, what else? We got ebook reader. Oh my! It comes with books preloaded. Yeah, I feel like if I was in jail, this would actually be clutch. Cause like it's just gotta be so boring sometimes. So this would be kind of a clutch to just have a ton of books to read. I wonder if they're just a bunch of old ones. They have the Bible. Here we go. King James version of the Bible. Let's go. Let's see if it's even legible with the resolution. Holy, the lag is crazy. The Bible is crashing. Oh, frick. Oh, we're gonna open Twix Land. Let's see, file is loading. I don't want this to crash again. That would be tragic. Oh no. Oh, here we go. Dude, it's so low resolution, bro. Imagine trying to, okay. This one would be good on the bigger one. On the mini one, yeah, dude. Reading on this thing is gonna freaking hurt my eyesight. Oh yeah, dude. That is just hard to read. That is hard to read. Okay, so maybe reading on this one is not the best thing. Oh, we get a file managers. Oh, look at that. We can clear out all the RAM. Maybe that's what was happening is I was just cooking the RAM with all the apps open. And oh, that's it. That's the last thing in here is the handbook. Frick, what is this? Restricted, segregated. Oh, freak. Oh, you can zoom in. Oh, never mind. You could zoom in. Reading might not be that bad. Oh, this is like the handbook for the jail, I guess. Wow. Oh, you can change live wallpapers, huh? Oh, heck yeah. Give me the Nexus. Wow, that's tough. Okay, what else we got? Just wallpapers in general. What other wallpapers? Looks like I have a bunch of wallpapers. But that is pretty much it. There's no app store. There's no things that you can download. Like, this is all you're getting on a prison tablet. When it comes to the battery, it looks like it's holding up pretty well. Oh, here we go. Let's click right here. Not bad. Oh, I have a timer going apparently. Let's stop that. If you're wondering if you can play games on this thing or like download social media or whatever, it is not looking like you're gonna be able to. At least as far as I know that you can jailbreak it, but this is not looking good if you are trying to like do actual things besides the preloaded stuff. It is not looking good. I don't like these live wallpapers. So yeah, anyways, this is a prison tablet. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have recommendations of things I should try doing with this, let me know in the comments. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.